Cindi, what do you think is the most difficult thing for developers to grasp when they're moving from doing traditional warehouse, whether it's 3NF or star schemas to data vault?
I think one of the toughest things for developers to deal with is stepping away from this practice of conforming data and applying business rules on the way into the data warehouse. The other difficult concept, and that's what we were just talking about, really is that data pipeline engineers struggle with, is this concept of divide and conquer, simplifying these traditionally overloaded processes and trying to accomplish all these operations in one load. Trying to push data into, say, a conformed dimension. And that's just it's a hard habit to break. And it's also generally, it's not something you're necessarily taught in school. Like, how do you decompose an overloaded process? What are the techniques for simplifying and things like that? So I think those are the challenges that I believe I see the most.
And that makes a lot of sense. The things about, if you can take a step back and just see it as it unwinds and not having to have all of that stuff up front coming into the warehouse, it's like, let's just start getting the data in and then let it progress to that raw vault and then the business vaults where we can apply it. Just streamlines and simplifies. But like you said, our heads have been wrapped around for years that, we got to get this conformed. We got to build it up front. We can't. It is a paradigm shift, but for those, again, once your head gets wrapped around it, it's a major efficiency and better way of doing things.
Yeah, I mean, we've been taught to think and program in batch mentality, not block mentality. And, it's that looping, for this row, do X, Y, and Z, next row, do X, and it's all conditional and it's overloaded from I would say, from my opinion. But it's actually true in overall in our industry, I would say.